Welcome back to Crypto209. I know the charts are missing at the moment. I was fiddling around with my computer and something happened. So just give me a sec. And while I'm on the live stream, I thought, why not just come on and try to pull everything up while I'm doing this. So, what dip? I'm telling you guys, what dip? Like, this was not a dip. DogeCoin is right back where we started. Right back. And looking a little bad at the moment. Right above 23, but still pretty good. Still pretty good. Okay, so yeah, let me try and get this display up. Let me see here. Is the browser, I think? Oh, it's already there. Okay. Alright, now I gotta put the picture up. Give me a sec. Yeah, I didn't have time to look over new charts. I was just doing too much, and I didn't have time to update the video. But we're still looking pretty good. Let me see, which one did I have on there? I think it was it Gemini or... Well, we haven't used TradingView in a while, so let me try and pull up TradingView's chart. Okay, DogeCoin breaking below 23 again, but still, the correction below 20 cents, as I said, I don't think DogeCoin is going to be staying at 19 cents, and we have not stayed at 19 cents. Let's see. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah, let me get this here. Copy. Just a complete reversal. You cannot argue that DogeCoin had a reversal. Okay, here. I'm trying to put the chart in. Bear with me, you guys. Bear with me. Oh, and I hope I didn't blow anyone's ear off with my music. Hopefully this time it's not too loud. That doesn't sound too loud. Hopefully it's not too low, but okay, let me get the chart in here. DogeCoin right at 23 cents. Maybe a little louder. No. Yeah, TradingView does have the ads and everything, but it's whatever. We just want the chart for Doge. What could I put in the middle? I forget what pictures I had on here. I just had so many. But it's looking good. It's looking good so far. We got one chart up. Let me get another one. But yeah, you guys, like, what dip? I mean, just look at it. Like, you can tell that either the whales were accumulating or somebody was accumulating. And we're basically right back where we started. We didn't really... What happened to my buy order? I had a buy order in for Doge right below 23. Whoops. Not that one. Okay, wait, hold on now. Let me take that one off. Okay, not that one. Sorry about that. I think it's... Is it browser? I don't even know what it is. You see, I'm so bad at computers. Browser, yeah, okay. Whew. I'm trying. Here we go. I gotta get another chart up here. Let's put Dogu in the middle. See, I don't like trading chart because it just cuts it off with those ads. I don't know why. But, alright, let me just, let me try to get a picture of that. I know that looks weird, but bear with me. I am not good at this. I'm trying to smash buy in the moment too, so probably not the best. This is a good deal for DogeCoin at 23 cents. I accumulated some more. Let me know if the music, if you guys can hear it. I know the last one, it was just like ungodly loud, and even myself, listening back to my own video, I was like, wow, I couldn't even hear myself because the music was too loud. So I do apologize for that. I think I used Coinbase. Did I use Coinbase? Yeah, I think Coinbase was the one I had up. Let's try and get Coinbase in there. Tyrone, hello Tyrone. Sorry I missed your comment. Let me know if you guys can hear the music. I don't want you to be too bored. But I am doing a lot in the moment here. Let me see. Okay, I think this is it. Oops, there we go. Coinbase. I think the last one I had was Robinhood, but we're not really fond of Robinhood. They haven't given us our wallet yet, so we're still... Oh, let me fix this. Maybe my camera's a little big too. There we go. It looks pretty bad. I'm sorry. Let me try and get another picture in there, or some text. Here, let me get some text. But yeah, let me give you an update for the market first before I go all in. But that doesn't look too bad for the moment. Alright, DogeCoin recapturing 23 cents. There we go. At 23 cents, we did have a nice push up to, I think it was 24. 24.60 or 24.70, right around that area. But then we did correct back down a little bit below 20 cents, not for too long, as I did state that I don't think we will be staying at 19 cents for too long. It's just a lot has been happening very quickly in the crypto markets. So if you panic sold, I am rooting for you because prices will continue going up from here. We might have another, tap down to lower regions for Bitcoin, possibly 30,000 again. We have hit 28,000 for Bitcoin, so that was pretty daunting to see. It hasn't happened in quite some time. So if there is a little more selling pressure happening, just be prepared for those corrections coming up. But other than that, we are looking really, really good. Bitcoin is above 33,000, right at 33,400. Not where we would like Bitcoin, but still pretty good. And pretty good because I smashed bought at 31 and then 28. I remember I woke up, it was like 6 a.m. I think, or almost 6 a.m. because I wake up with the stock market. And I saw Bitcoin below 20 or 30,000. I was like, oh my god, what do I do? And then of course I smash bought, and it was the perfect buy, right below 28, because I think the bulls do step in for Bitcoin below 30,000. We have a lot of buying pressure for Bitcoin right at that 28 to $30,000 region. Let me see if I can get some text in here. Not be so boring. You guys know if you hear the music, I turn it up a little bit. Maybe because I had it here. Now I'm in the city, went overseas and they riding with me. Met up with fans out in Norway, 5,000 miles from my old ways. That's a lot of distance from the old days. There. Tyrone, if you're still there, let me know if the music is too loud. It doesn't look too loud on the volume bar. My voice looks too loud. It doesn't look too loud. Let me know, you guys. Let me know. Okay, please new text. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to put a text in so it's not too boring. They say they know, but they don't know a thing. Yeah, today hasn't. Oh, Tyrone, you're still here? Yeah, let me know if the music is too loud, if you can hear it or not. I don't want it to be too low, but I don't want it to be too loud either. How do you flip it, like turn it? I know you can do that somehow. I don't know how to do that. It's still too loud? It's still too loud? Oh my god. How is it too loud? I don't know why. There's democracy! Okay, is it too loud now? There's no way it can be too loud, like... There's democracy. Thank you for joining me. I'll just put it over here. Okay, is it still too loud now? Let me know. Because, like, I've turned it down so many times. And it doesn't look loud on the volume bar. See, yeah, Tyrone says it's not too loud. I think my voice, if anything, is too loud. I think There's Democracy was talking about the last live stream, maybe. My last video, it was just crazy. You couldn't even hear me think. The music was quite excessive. But DogeCoin is looking really, really good. Above, look, I turned it off now, so now it's not even on. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'll just put it there. Okay. Okay. That's enough with the music. Okay. Not too loud now. Let me know if it gets too loud. I don't want to be having to redo my video again. Alright. Pretty nice. Not too bad of a setup, I think. Maybe if I move over a bit. There we go. So it's kind of, there we go. Alright, now we're in business. We look slightly professional. Not really. I tried to throw it together because all of my charts, you know, like, came off. So I had to just start with my, Oh, Taryn, thank you so much. Thank you for that. I'm glad that I can be here for you guys, not only in the times of red and sorrow, but also when things are green and looking nice. Very happy to be here. Very, very happy to be here with you guys. DogeCoin right above 23 cents. Still very, very good. I'm trying to get in right below 23. I want to smash by right at 22 if we can get back down to 22. Oh, there's democracy. No, this is actually just my old computer. That's what I said. I said I didn't know if I needed a new charger. or if I had to get a whole new computer. So I got a whole new computer, but then I got a new charger because I like my old computer better, and I tried the new charger that I got, and it works. So I guess it was just a charger that went out or something. So that was just it. But yeah, this stream is a lot smoother. I'm very happy. I didn't have to call my Wi-Fi company. DogeCoin is doing very, very nicely, trying to push back up to 24 cents. I'm sure we can make it back up to 25, along with all of the FUD that we did have the past couple days. I think that was just so the whales could accumulate. Pretty sure it was so the whales could accumulate, but I'm happy that they pushed the price of DogeCoin down because I accumulated a bit more. And this stand is not coming on right. Tyrone says, what other Doge channels do I watch? Oh yeah, I mean, there's not. I don't want to be rude, but there's not really too many good DogeCoin live streamers besides, Doge Moxie said an Upshot, and maybe Final Stand if I'm feeling like a hype and I want to be like hyped up because Final Stand just has so much energy. But I don't know. I'm more of just a cryptocurrency watcher, I guess. I don't really pick YouTubers specifically, but I love just learning as much as I can about cryptocurrency specifically. And DogeCoin does happen to fall into that category. So when the news does come out for DogeCoin, I might look over a few videos to see exactly, or rather to confirm if the news and information is correct that's happening in the market. You definitely want to reassure yourself that if you do hear a story that it's actually true and correct. I know there was one story about the DogeCoin millionaire. Some girl actually held him at gunpoint to have his kids. So that was like, I don't even know if that story is true. Like, if that's true, that's just crazy. Like, we're not even going to get into that, but yeah. So you definitely don't want anyone to know if you're holding DogeCoin because they might force you to have their babies. So be careful, be careful. Alright, I don't know if should I go over any news? I don't know if I can get through at least one news article. I struggle to get through at least one article. Let's see what's going on in the markets. And that's so funny. It's exactly how I said. You know, you'll hear all of this FUD and Bitcoin's going to zero. You know, the cryptocurrency market, China this, taxes that, and then look where we are. We have a perfect, well, I wouldn't say V-shaped recovery, but it's pretty much a recovery. You know, we're just a couple cents below where we were, around 32 cents. That's contradicting. Sometimes I sit and wonder if maybe it's just Tyrone says, very well explained. Will you be my Doge wife at least? Tyrone, thank you for your offer. That is very, very kind of you. I'm definitely not looking for marriage anytime soon. I'm still very, very young. I want to have a bit more fun before I jump into that. Like I say, I'm not that young. I'm getting a little old, but yeah, I'm still having a lot of fun. Thank you for your comment, Tyrone. Very, very sweet of you. Alright, hopefully by Friday I can have the correct charts up so you guys aren't bored out of your mind. Doge Democracy, we probably should have Doge Democracy. First Doge wedding. Yeah, that'd be pretty awesome. So there is still a little bit more FUD. There was one article that said, ditch DogeCoin. Here's these other 3 stocks to invest in. Which is pretty funny. They're just trying to get everyone out of the market so they can accumulate as much as they can. Because if we're the ones accumulating, holding on to our DogeCoin in the next 2 to 3, 5 years from now, we're going to be the ones holding DogeCoin. So it's going to be a lot different who's actually controlling that circulating supply. We do still have the majority of DogeCoin held in whale wallets, but I do think the distribution is starting to change a lot more with people understanding what cryptocurrency is. I did talk about Shiba Inu. I am not a holder of Shiba Inu yet, but I do think it is exposure to the crypto markets. I'm not going to allocate any of my assets into Shiba Inu yet. I did see, or I was watching the price movements just to understand, exactly what it is doing. And I did look it over, a little bit. So you can argue that there actually might be something down the line happening with Shiba Inu. There's just the world of meme tokens has taken off in the crypto markets, as I stated last time in my last live stream, how I buy meme stocks, AMC and GME. I buy meme stocks, but I buy meme cryptocurrency as well, because it definitely seems to pay off. When you buy these meme stocks and meme cryptocurrencies, you get a large return back to you, which is just crazy. Usually that does not happen and you actually get wrecked, but we don't want to get wrecked like Mark Cuban fumbling into Titan and these rug pool of cryptocurrencies. So you want to be careful with that. DogeCoin has not fell to lower regions of, we did fall below 20 cents. I will say that, but just think about where DogeCoin came from. DogeCoin was at a fraction of a cent, a fraction. We were at 0.008, 0.007 for one DogeCoin. Oh, let me get this chart back up. Here, sorry about that. Yeah, we were at we were below 1 cent. That's the point. DogeCoin was below a penny. And to be holding above 5 cents, 15 cents for one DogeCoin is really, really good. Yeah, I remember that's why I didn't use TradingView, because they kept having the things blocking the, oh, I think I remember how I did it. Let me see. I think I did it like this. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's see if that works. That looks better. Yeah, alright. Perfect. Hopefully that's not too bad, but I'm trying to make it look a little better for you guys so you can see the price. But we're doing good. We're doing really, really good. I did not expect this to happen as fast as it did, but when you have corrections, you're going to have a reversal. If you're getting pushed down and in oversold regions, then the price is going to flip around and recover quite quickly. Alright. Yes, I have another buy order in for DogeCoin right below 23 cents. I'm pretty excited to smash buy right below 23 cents. All you bitches do is have debates. Y'all be so impressive with your words when you ain't looking someone in the face. Wonder what it's like that. Oh my god, my last stream was like a little over an hour. It's been a while since I did another hour live stream. When I first started streaming, Doge Democracy remembers, if Doge Democracy is still there, that stream that was like 6 hours long. I cannot believe I streamed for 6 hours long. It was just crazy. But it was fun. It was pretty fun. I will admit it. Yeah, there's still a little bit of fun in the market, you guys. Disregard that. Buy the dips. This is not financial advice, but people will be becoming very financially stable through cryptocurrency if they're utilizing it in the correct way. I myself have been caught with trading at the wrong moment, and
that takes skill.
you get reminded that you cannot time the market. So when you think that you're timing the top and you sold at the top, you actually did not sell at the top, and you have to buy back in your position at a higher price. So you want to be wary of that if you are frequently trading, as you definitely can get kicked out of your trade. Taryn says, I'm getting... If you're, you're going to get something to eat. Definitely, Taryn, enjoy your lunch or dinner. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful dinner and or lunch. Hopefully the music is alright. It doesn't seem too loud. Hopefully it's not too loud again. I turned it down a notch, just in case. Last stream it was pretty excessive, though, I will say that. Oh darn it, I turned it off again. Maybe I don't need the music on if I can't leave it on. There we go. I don't even know where the microphone is. Okay, is that too loud? You guys can hear it. There we go. I assume it gets boring though, but I'll listen over it. Oh wait, I forget I can just pull up my own video to see how loud it is. It's gonna have like a reverb. How do you say reverberation? Yeah, that doesn't sound too bad. That sounds pretty good. Alright, where was I at? China and their FUD, this is crazy. Was it China's mining facilities are moving to, was it Kazakhstan? Kazakhstan? How do you say it? Kazakhstan? I think it's Kazakhstan. China's moving some mining equipment over to Kazakhstan, so people moving mining equipment out of any region should be good news, because they're, you know, just looking for better incentives in a different location. That's very good news. That's not bad news for the crypto market. So I'm not too sure why Bitcoin actually did have a little bit of a recession in price value, but I do think it's just the market manipulation and these whales trying to accumulate more Bitcoin, of course. But I did smash buy. I smash bought when Bitcoin fell below 30,000, which was the perfect pickup. And we're holding really, really nicely for the market. Yeah, it still sounds good. Okay, I'm back. Where was I? Where was I? DogeCoin. Right above 23 cents at 23.53. Looking pretty good. We are holding above 23 cents for the first time in a couple hours. I know there was a lot of selling pressure still for DogeCoin at that 24 cents mark. But as I stated, I think we will be making it back up to 25 at least. I think we can make it to 25, which would be pretty good. I'll try not to bore you guys too much. But yeah, Bitcoin is making it back up to $34,000, holding at $33,700. Looking just absolutely astonishing. I never thought that I would see 3 full corrections for Bitcoin and the crypto markets, but I have made it this far, and pretty happy with myself. Pretty happy with myself. It's a hard thing to overcome and see when your portfolios are down a couple thousands of dollars. That was a good buy order there that I had. No, not 22.90. Was it 22.90? I think it was. Yeah. I'm still going to wait for that one. All right. Where was I? Let me at least go over one news article then. That won't be too boring. This is from Benzinga. It says how to short DogeCoin. Pretty funny. They're saying how to short DogeCoin, and then we actually had a nice run up. If that's not fun, trying to catch someone on leverage. Oh, this is it. Shiba Inu. I just said, will Shiba Inu coin rebound? Will it beat DogeCoin? This is funny. This is the article that I was talking about. Coinbase added Shiba a little more than a month ago, and after that coin's creation, it marked to its contrast an addition of DogeCoin, which seemed to take Doge years, which it did, and Shiba Inu did not capture the price movements that DogeCoin had. DogeCoin went from below a penny to 74 cents, which is just crazy. The Shiba Inu, since its origins, Shiba Inu coin has been deemed a DogeCoin killer. Negative. Both currencies use a Shiba Inu dog as its mascot. DogeCoin is, of course, better, which made them instant rivals in the crypto market. I do not even think that Shiba Inu is a rival to DogeCoin. There is no rival to DogeCoin because it's DogeCoin. There's no beating DogeCoin, and the community, the movement we have behind it, everything combined. You know, the price actions, of course, help a lot because a lot of people have made a lot of money from DogeCoin. But it's more than that. It's more than just 10xing your investment. I know that is why a lot of people hopped into DogeCoin, but for me, it goes beyond the price actions, and it is for the financial protest of the current financial systems and how they are not, or rather they are rigged for the people who are already in power, for the people who already hold the money printers. They are the ones who control the scenes and control what happens because they control the money. So once regular people and citizens can control their finances through cryptocurrency, we will start to control our own lives and our own states, which is very, very important to see progression here in America. I mean, we're not producing anything. America has everything imported to America. We need to be producing as a country. We need to be better than that, overcome and actually create, because a lot of people here in America would like to create, and we're being held back basically from finances, of course, but a lot of other things do hold people back in this capitalist economy, not really wanting to see people move forward. So I'm pretty happy with seeing how far cryptocurrency will be going. DogeCoin breaking out. I think that's just what I said. I think we might be hitting 25 cents tonight. Hopefully we do. pretty interesting to see these price actions.
Try a Redken Shades EQ gloss service, only available in salons.
So I hope your portfolios are a lot better than they were yesterday and the day before. I know I was a little upset with my portfolio. Well, that and I actually couldn't do anything because Binance. So funny Binance, a little bit of funny business there because now the markets are back and Binance is back up and running. But yesterday when DogeCoin dipped below 20 cents, Binance was down because they knew that people were going to be buying that dip. Just a bit suspect to me, but I'm happy that things are back up and running and trading as they should be. But we're looking good. We're looking really, really good. I'm not too concerned about DogeCoin still below 25 cents. As I stated, I think we should have a nice spike up if Bitcoin can hit that $36,000 again. Because Bitcoin is looking a little froggy. Just a little froggy. We are hopping around a bit. And that is due to the volatility coming back. So we're pretty stagnant, but this volatility has returned. So we will be seeing nice 10, 20, 30% returns as Dogecoin was up around 30% from its initial dip down. I was hoping that we would get that 60, maybe 100% back for Dogecoin, but we were a little above 28 cents, which is still pretty good. We're still holding above a 20 cents gain for Dogecoin. So right about 23 cents at 23.5. Ethereum is still doing pretty bad, below 2,000. I did not see that coming. Ethereum dropping below 2,000, but it's healthy. It's very healthy to kick out these paper hands and have people who are long-term holders in the market continue to accumulate more and more cryptocurrency.
I get pennies for my thoughts. What I say is common sense. At least you got what you pay for.
But yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys did not panic sell. Very happy to be back in the green. Seeing our portfolios take off. Nothing has changed. Remember that the Dogecoin NASCAR crashing has nothing to do with the price actions of Dogecoin. Remember that. Remember your purpose in the crypto market. That's the main point. Remember why you chose to invest in the crypto markets. And if you're upset with losing a portion of your investment, then you should rethink why you're actually in the market. You definitely should rethink your investment decisions if you are upset with these short-term volatility moves that we do have. But not in a bear market yet. I do not see bear market price actions. If Bitcoin does have a further correction holding below 30,000, that's if we fall below 30,000 and we stay at $28,000, $29,000 region and we're trading around there, then it may be quite possible that we see a mini bear market for the movement that we have been having for the crypto market, which has just been going up. If you remember, I've been in crypto a little over 6 months now, and this has been my third correction. So I've seen 3 just within a little over 6 months. Sorry about all the movement. Just within a little over 6 months, I have seen 3 corrections. They weren't as bad as this last one, granted, but it was a learning experience, and I'm very happy that I helped through all 3 corrections, and I did nothing but buy the dip. So, as I stated in my last live stream, these price levels that we are trading in right now for most cryptos, this was price levels, some of them even lower than when I first started investing. I mean, when I first found, I think it was Mana, Decentraland. Let me see where Mana's at. Yeah, when I first found Mana, I think Mana was like 60 cents when I first started investing. So I mean, it's a little bit in the same region, 60 cents, 50 cents. But Mana's right at 50 cents right now, which is a awesome pickup. And all of the, I think there was some 10 or probably $10 million or no, $900,000 of virtual land sold. That was sold to someone. Someone bought $900,000 worth of virtual land. So Decentraland is definitely tied in with that. So I'm very happy that I'm still holding my Mana. I'm still very bullish on these particular altcoins. You have to be very, very particular on what you're investing in, because as you can see, they can get rug pulled very, very quickly. And whatever you invested into it, if it was a large amount, then you basically saw all of those gains wiped from you. So you want to be very cautious to what you are putting your money into and hoping to see go up in value. But that's the point. It's patience in the market. Lots of patience. Polygon Matic is just on a tear. Polygon Matic is never coming back down to earth. Polygon Matic did not come back down to regions when I first started investing. When I first found Matic, it was 30 cents. That's when I first bought Matic. And I have not sold any of my Polygon when I bought at 30 cents, which is just awesome. I'm very happy that I didn't sell. And I haven't bought as well. So that's the thing. Because I bought at such a low price and it was just like a small amount, like my risk to reward, it like wouldn't make any sense for me to buy more Matic right now, just because I'm up so much on it already. I'm just gonna let it ride and see what happens. But I did not take out my investment yet because, you know, it's still over $1. So I'm waiting until we at least get to $2. That is my price point, and I might take my initial investment out when Polygon makes it to $2. So that would be smart, you know, if we do fall back down to 30 cents. But I don't think Matic will fall to 30 cents again. It's just not going to happen. But yeah, as I did state, I'm still bullish on some of these altcoins. You have to remember that diversity still is important. Having more than one crypto, Bitcoin being your main cryptocurrency holding, and I mean, Ethereum is still a good play. I know I did kind of hesitate on that, but I do think Ethereum is still a good play. All of the cryptos in the market now have a place. In the next few years, we're going to be seeing cryptocurrencies adopted. Ethereum, DogeCoin, Cardano, Solana, VeChain, I mean, the list goes on. There's so many cryptos. Not all of them. You have to remember that. Not all of the cryptocurrencies are going to be utilized and used every day, but the majority of cryptocurrencies will be used and traded. Very much so. I'm just sticking true to that. I just know that the crypto markets are the new markets. The way that we have the current markets with the stonk markets, our updated, newer, improved system of trading is cryptocurrency. So if you are in the market, I do congratulate you, because you were in at the very, very right time. Just perfect timing if you're in the crypto markets right now. It's Internet 2.0. And I remember, I forget where I heard it, but I think it was watching Max Kaiser or something, one of his videos, but as someone had said, the Internet was created for Bitcoin. And it's pretty hard to, you know, capture your mind on that, because the Internet was made before Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was made after, you know, the initial Internet had came out and people were transferring information to people back and forth instantly and stuff. So why couldn't we transact payments instantly back and forth? So then Bitcoin was created, and so that's where the whole thing that the Internet was created for Bitcoin. You can just see how much of a mind bubble that is, and like how everything came together for, finances, the internet, trading. Well, I mean, not trading all the time, but investing, how everything is digital. And the systems of digital payments is only going to grow from here. It's only going to get exponentially greater than it is. You have to keep that in mind. We're just in the beginning stages. So if you were scared of these short-term price actions, the markets are not for you. And that is how they kick out these paper hands, because people get scared out. They're like, well, what do? Do I sell? Do I panic sell? Like, are the markets going to keep going down? But as I see cryptocurrency as a movement, as something that's going to completely change the way that we go about our everyday lives, for the better, definitely for the better, because a lot of people still don't have internet in these third world countries, and so once people start to get access to cryptocurrency, and that's the main thing, getting your hands on crypto, taking control of your private keys is the first step to taking control of your finances, because then you can just sit back and watch the crypto markets go up, and a lot of people have retired. It's not something that happens, that quickly, but people have retired from the crypto markets. If you are smart about your investments, if you're staking your cryptocurrency, I cannot stress that enough. If you're holding a large amount of cryptocurrency and you're not earning passive income on your cryptocurrency, you're not doing it right. If you're holding a large amount of crypto, you should be sitting back earning more crypto for the crypto that you're holding. It's that simple. And there are plenty of platforms that you can use to actually stake your crypto and earn interest or APY on your holdings. So that's very, very important. We want to move forward. We don't want to move backwards. We want to gain wealth. That's the point of investing into crypto, is to gain wealth. But you have to have patience as well. All right. I know that that is my philosophical rant for you for the day. I haven't had one in quite a while, so I was definitely overdue. The DogeCoin right above 23 cents, holding at 23.45. Very, very strong. Very, very strong for the crypto markets. Bitcoin still very bullish. Above 33,500, holding at $33,600. And of course, Ethereum still below $1,900. But this is just a buying opportunity. I see all of the cryptos right now as a buying opportunity. Because when we go back up to $2,600, $2,800 for one Ethereum, you're going to be like, well, man, I remember when we dipped down to 1,900, and the story just continues. I remember when the price was this much. I remember when the price was that much, and now look at how much it is. So just patience, because 6 months ago, yes, it did take 6 months, but 6 months ago I found DogeCoin, and I bought my first 100 DogeCoin for just $1. And my life was changed after that. Literally, my life was changed because I just got so involved with what cryptocurrency is and how I can use it for the betterment of my life. So I'm still excited, you guys. As you can see, I never lose my excitement. When we're in the green, I'm happy. When we're in the red, I'm happy because I can buy at cheaper prices. And then when we're in the green, I'm even more happy because I have more crypto that I bought when we were in the red. And you can just continue to do the same thing over and over again, buying the dips, letting go a little bit if it gets too high. But I have turned into a hodler, and I like to hold my crypto. I do not like to sell my crypto. Anytime anyone asks me for money, they're like, "Oh, do you have $60 and you have $80?" I'm like, "Oh, it's actually in crypto. I don't have any cash." And they're like, "Well, why don't you have any cash?" I'm like, "Because crypto. Like, why would I have cash? So my whole mindset of holding cash is just like, why? Why would I hold cash? There's no point to holding cash when I can have wonderful, clean cryptocurrency. And it's funny because I think I transferred all of my Bitcoin out of my Cash App after I smash bought, and then I smash bought again, like just for the hell of it. And I think I only bought like $10. But now that $10 of Bitcoin that I bought just yesterday, you guys, like literally just yesterday, it's I think it's a little over $11. I mean, it's only $1, but still, you can just it's still over $11. I think I can actually show you. Let me see if I can show you. See if you guys can see that. Can you guys see it? Wait. Let me see if I can see it. There we go. You see, yeah, it's still $11. Yeah, I smash bought on Cash App, and I only put in $10. But it's up to $11 now, and that's just, a little bit of my Bitcoin playing around on Cash App. Because I don't like to keep my Bitcoin on Cash App. When I smash buy on Cash App, I send it straight to my interest account so I can make interest on my Bitcoin that same day. I am so into making that passive income with your crypto. It's so important. I think it's one of the major parts of cryptocurrency and getting into DeFi and NFTs and smart contracts and all these things happening with cryptocurrency. Staking and DeFi and earning that yield or yield farming, all of these things you can do with your crypto. There are so many ways that you can put your cryptocurrency to work. And that's what I want you guys to understand, that it is not over. It is not over for us. We still have a chance if we adopt cryptocurrency for payment systems, for everyday transactions, for sending money to someone. It's a lot faster. It's a lot more simpler. It doesn't take 3 to 5 days with your dinosaur banks and the stock market's dinosaur dividends. So nice spike up, real nice spike up. Look at that. I love when we just have spike ups. It's just, it's so fulfilling. DogeCoin having a nice spike up to 20 or 24 cents. Basically, we are trying to push through 24 cents. We will see if DogeCoin can. I'm pretty excited, you guys. Like, I'm chill. I'm chill because even when things are red, you can't negate that. Just waiting, things are going to be back basically where they were. Like, nothing ever happened. Yeah, we had a dip, but it's like nothing ever happened because we're down like 5 cents from 28 cents, just a couple days ago. So it's just trying to scare people out of the market. Don't get scared out of the market. Definitely do not want to forfeit your crypto to these whales. It's a good night. It's a real good night. And I think it's going to be a good week and trading week for the crypto markets. I know the stock markets are still looking good. AMC is still above $50. I'm still happy with that. I'm still holding my AMC. Look at that nice spike up. Look at those green candles. It's been a while since we've seen green candles, which I've just been like waiting with the charts, like, where is the green candle? Where's the green candle? And I did not see any green candles. I could feel it. You can feel that the dip was coming. I didn't panic sell. I couldn't panic sell again because Binance was down, and when the dip had happened, Binance was like, oh, sorry, you can't sell your crypto because we're down, and we don't want you to make any money because, we're going through maintenance, Binance. But anyway, I'm still so upset at Binance shutting down, like, just in the nick of time. Like, Binance did not have to shut down exactly when the crypto dip happened, because I could have even bought more Bitcoin on Binance because the majority of my capital was in Binance at that time. So I was like, well, I can't use my rent money and my bill money to, smash buy crypto. So I would have smash bought with the capital I had in Binance, but they went down for maintenance. So thanks, Binance. I smash bought today. Yes, I did. So even with the dip yesterday, we're up 4 or 5 cents. I smash bought because why not? I know where DogeCoin is going. I know where DogeCoin has been. I know how the crypto markets move. We fall down very fast, but we move up even faster after that. Just remember when Matic went on that tear to 250 or 275, whatever it was. It was like 3 consecutive days of pumping. Like, we did not stop pumping for 3 days. So you have to remember that. If we pump for 1 day, it's very likely that we're going to pump the next day and the next day, and then have a little bit of a cool off, in those higher regions wherever we find a nice consolidation area. So I'm still very, very bullish. I never stop being bullish in the crypto markets, because why would you stop being bullish for assets that are going to be exponentially more expensive than they currently are? And that's the point. They're just going to kick regular investors out of the market because they can't afford it. Most people still can't afford 1 full Bitcoin. I cannot afford 1 full Bitcoin. Possibly if I sold all of my other assets, I can have 1 full Bitcoin. But I'm taking my time. I'm still pushing to that half a Bitcoin first, but I am going to get to 1 full coin eventually. I have made it, well, even with my interest accounts, so like with the interest of Bitcoin that I'm earning on my BlockFi and my Voyager, over time I will get 1 Bitcoin just for holding my crypto in those interest-bearing accounts. So that's pretty important. You don't have to buy constantly. You can put your crypto to work. And I stress that so many times, that if you're holding cryptocurrency, why not earn more and sit back and relax and watch money go up? I mean, it's that simple. Who wouldn't like to see money go up? Money go up, money print to go brr. We all love to see things move, and I think that's a major part of crypto. When I first was introduced, I was like, well, money go up, how does that work? How does the money go up? And after I started to understand, well, you put your capital in the market, other people put their capital into the market, there's a fixed supply of certain tokens. Try not to go into a cryptocurrency just because it says, oh, this cryptocurrency is deflationary, so buy my coin because there's only so many of these coins. No, it does not work that way. If you're buying Bitcoin, yes, there is a fixed supply of Bitcoin, and you want to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can, because these banks, these hedge funds, these institutions are doing it for you. So if you're understanding what's happening, if you're on top of what's going on, if you're getting that information, you're getting the right information, seeing that Bitcoin literally is going to rule the world. It's going to rule payment systems. And the good news about that, Bitcoin having such a dominance in the market, it's going to aid all of these other cryptos going up in value as well. So, things may seem very gloomy at the moment, but over time, you have to understand that it's just temporary. These price actions are temporary, and we will be going much, much further than we currently are. Much, much further. DogeCoin hit 74 cents for the all-time high. 74 cents. It's just crazy. So, I'm fully behind DogeCoin still making $1. That's the first thing. The second thing, Bitcoin will be well over $100,000. Ethereum, I do think can capture $10,000. Maybe pushing it, may not be pushing it. But Ethereum will be around the $8,000 to $10,000 region in the next few years. There's still some saying that Bitcoin's going to make $100,000 by the end of this year, 2021. And that's just, what, 5-6 months from now? What month is it? May or June? Yeah, it's 6 months from now, and it'll be 2022. So saying that Bitcoin is going to be $100,000 by the end of this year is very, very bullish. So that is why I'm steadily learning as much as I can, excuse me, and steadily purchasing as much as I possibly can. But we're looking good. We're looking really, really good. I'm just, I'm happy. I'm happy because my portfolio is happy. And that's because I held my crypto. I didn't sell. If anything, I bought more than I probably should have, but I'm doing okay. Still paying my rent on the 1st, and things are still looking very, very bright in the next few months to come. Alright, I'll hang out with you guys a little more and see what kind of movement we have for the market. New one's pretty chatty. We usually have a lot more of a conversation going on. Let me know what cryptocurrency you guys are bullish on. I'd love to know what your investments are in. I have not bought Shiba Inu. That is something that I still have on the boards, but I definitely think I might. Like, why not? Why not? I said it'd be a bad thing not to have exposure to Shiba Inu at this point, because like I'm holding DogeCoin, so why not hold Shiba Inu? It just makes perfect sense. And DogeCoin capturing 24 cents. Look at that, you guys. This is what I'm talking about. Patience plays out correctly. DogeCoin at 24 cents once again. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Well, I'm glad I haven't closed things out yet. I usually, after an hour, I do kind of throw the towel in. But we'll see what happens for the market. I am happy to be here. Since I did take a full week off last week, I do apologize for that. But I am back, and I will be streaming again on Friday, so stay tuned for that as well. Let's see what kind of action we can get for the remainder of the trading day on Wednesday. But it's playing out exactly as I said. 25 cents. 25 cents is the next region that DogeCoin should be recapturing if there's not a further correction, with Bitcoin having that selling pressure for DogeCoin. Do keep in mind that 21 cents, even possibly 19 cents, may be an area of support if DogeCoin does have a further correction. Keep that in mind. If you're still looking to FOMO in the market, be patient. be patient because things can fall very, very quickly, and you don't want to catch a falling knife. You want to buy cryptos at a cheaper value, not paying too much for them. That's the point of investing in crypto, and over time you will understand it and start to do the right thing. But that's why I'm here. I'm here to show you guys the right way of investing into crypto. But I can only guide you in the right direction. I'm not giving you financial advice. I can only guide you to what I am doing. And my investment definitely has paid off, not only because I was in DogeCoin below 1 cent, but all of these other tokens that I had purchased, they did pay off. There was a time that I was up, double on some of these tokens. Matic, I'm still up almost quadruple my investment. It's just crazy to think about. It does fluctuate a lot with the volatility. But that's something to remember. Patience counts. Patience is important for success. And that's what we want. We want success. All right, you guys. This was a lovely, lovely live stream. Let me get the, there we go. All right. If you do not have your tickets, it is not too late, as we're still going to the moon for DogeCoin. So just remember, when things seem bad, hodl. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be seeing you very, very soon.